Hey, Brian here. Today we're talking about something that can turn a simple battery replacement into an expensive nightmare. Connecting your car battery backwards. That welding machine-grade spark you see when making that final connection? That's your first warning sign of serious trouble. But what's actually happening to your vehicle when positive meets negative the wrong way around? Let's dive in. When you connect a car battery backwards, you create what's called reverse polarity. Instead of electricity flowing correctly through your vehicle's systems, you're forcing current to flow in the opposite direction. And your car's electrical components absolutely hate this. If you actually try to activate the vehicle with a backwards connected battery, the damage spikes exponentially in fractions of a second. The massive power surge can fry your entire electrical system simultaneously, from your radio and climate controls to critical engine sensors and modules. This single backwards connection can fry your PCM, powertrain control module, your fuel pump relay, airbag system, and even the body control module that manages your power locks and windows. These one-way electrical gates get instantly overwhelmed by current flowing the wrong way. The first elements to go are your fuses, then your diodes, particularly in the alternator, but other electronic control units are next in line. And these aren't cheap fixes. Here's what you need to check if you've accidentally connected your battery backwards. First, verify all fuses and fusible links. These are your electrical system's first line of defense, designed to blow before more expensive components get damaged. Check every single one with a proper meter. Visual inspection isn't always reliable. Next, inspect the battery itself. Reverse polarity can cause dangerous heat buildup and even acid leakage. If you notice any warping, leaking, or unusual heat, replace it immediately. Okay, so next, you need to check the alternator. The diode bridges inside are particularly vulnerable to reverse current. If your alternator survived, well, consider yourself lucky. Finally, make sure to test all electrical systems thoroughly. Power windows, wipers, gauges, and lights are commonly affected. Even if the car starts, you might have multiple hidden issues. If you've just realized you're connecting it backwards and haven't completed the circuit, stop immediately. If it's too late and you've already made the connection, here's what to do. Disconnect the battery immediately, starting with the negative terminal. Do not attempt to start the vehicle. Check all fuses and fusible links with a multimeter. Have your alternator and PCM professionally tested. If you notice severe damage, consider having your vehicle towed to a shop. This isn't typically a DIY fix. Remember, modern vehicles have dozens of electronic modules that can be instantly damaged by reverse polarity. One moment of confusion between positive and negative can lead to thousands in repairs. Always double-check you've got your car a battery with the right polarity, and make sure connections are right before that final attachment. If you've ever had this experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story.